Wrecked him, damn near killed him. Yeah. But let me call you back. I think my package actually arrived here. It was supposed to come around in 9ish. Yeah. Keep it growing, bro. Yeah. All right. All right. Let's go see. Duh. Jesus. Oh, it's here! Whew! All right, beard mail. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ain't nothing better than beard mail. Trust me on this. Bam! Beard mail from Honest Ape. Just mind you, this is actually not a review of the product. This is just an unboxing. What's awesome about this is my very first unboxing on my channel. I'm gonna try to do a lot more of these, but I have a feeling this is gonna be a very special, unique package. So let me shut my mouth and let's just start opening it. Awesome presentation, first and foremost. They have this stamped seal right here on the box, Honest Ape. And right here, look at this. Beautiful thing, beautiful thing. Nice packaging. I wonder what it is. Let's open. Let's just open this together. Let me just open this like this. Oh, it's beautiful. It looks like we got a lot of goodies here. A lot of goodies. If guys don't know who Honest Ape is, first of all, slap yourself. They have an awesome following on Instagram. They have an awesome website as well. So I highly suggest you go check them out. Oh my God. Oh my God. We have the Balm. Bam! 1812. This is actually one of their newest scents out there, and from what I understand, the scent profile is gunpowder, leather, coffee, and clean linen. He actually told me and buddies of my round table that it took him actually 8 months to come up with this scent profile just perfectly. Look at that oil. Look at that logo. Looky, looky. Very, very nice. It actually looks and feels like an oil-resistant label. What else we got here? Awesome, awesome business card. Bam. Bam. Oh, we got a card. Chester, please accept this as a token of our appreciation with the launch and release of 1812. You're welcome, brother. What else do we have here? Oh, look at this. Bam. We got a sticker. Look at this awesome sticker, man. I like getting stickers from different companies because I'm actually going to be sticker collecting and actually posting a poster full of a whole bunch of stickers from different companies, different small batch companies, that is. What else do you got here? What else do you got here, Honest Ape? Come on. Whoa, whoa. What is this? What is this? Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Special edition, limited gold coin. Custom. See, man, it's stuff like this when businesses do this awesome stuff to their customers, man. I really appreciate this, man. Let me, if I could open it. All right, finally got it open. Bam! This is awesome. This right here is what it's all about when you're unboxing something, man. Look at that craftsmanship. This is a real coin. This is like heavy duty coin. Look at that. Bam! 1812. Makes me want to bust a gun, man. But this is beautiful, man. Listen, Honest Ape, I can't tell you how appreciative I am right now, brother. I'm excited to do that review for you. Being that said, I had a thing on my Instagram that if you liked a certain post, if it reaches up to 100 likes, I would climb on top of my roof in an ape suit, pound my chest, and yell, "I love Honest Ape!" But unfortunately, it's only up to 80 something. So we only have a couple more likes to do. So if you're going on Instagram right now, let me pull out my Palm Pilot. Bam! So there you go there, my Instagram. Scroll, bam, right there. You see that picture right there? Right there? If you go to that and you see it, like it, share it, do whatever. But if it gets to 100, I am going to do this whole entire review in an ape suit. And I'm going to be going on my roof, pounding my chest. Hopefully the cops don't get called. Hopefully I don't end up on the news, especially fake news. I'll tell you right now, this unboxing is awesome. Like I said, the scent profile is extremely unique. It's probably one of the most unique scents I've smelled so far this year. I'm excited to put this on and wear this and smell. It smells awesome, man. Good God. You get that leather, that gunpowder, the coffee. Oh, I love it, man. You guys definitely need to check them out. The links to their profile will be down below, to their website as well as their Instagram. This is my unboxing, man. Something simple, something sweet, something different. Hit that subscribe button like always. Hit that bell notification like always. And follow me on Instagram. I'm out of here, guys. Hey, bro, come here. We got to get that picture to 100 likes. I really want to do that video. It's one of my bucket lists to dress up as an ape. I just don't have a Barbie doll with me. Do you have any? Hey, oh, okay. Thanks, brother.